This is Juan. Say hi, Juan. What do they call you? B-boy Vision? Eugen? Oh, okay. We're doing an interview. We're interviewing you today. Anything you like to say to your fans? Anything you like to say to your fans?
I don't have any fans.
Janie, what do you have to say? Come on, you're guest starring on our show.
About what?
About our B-boy Vision.
Fusion. I don't know.
Like chemistry.
Ask Jasmine.
Really?
Really?
I have to say what I know.
This is our comment board.
I'm like, really?
You have to be truthful though.
Yes, you have to be honest.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, you start.
I think that Juan is
You guys sign in today?
Yes, we signed in.
an extraordinary dancer.
B-boy backpack.
Anyways.
Alright, what about you, twin?
Yeah, go twin.
Oh yeah. I can't see it. It's too dark.
Oh, here.
Oh, I can't see it.
Still.
I can't see it, man.
I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Can I see that again?
Do you have anything to comment?
B-boy pedo.
Comment.
Oh, he's going B-boy pedo. B-boy pedo. Oh, I'm sorry.
This is so
Your
good.
camera's broken.
Yeah, my brother's a big head.
Stupid big head.
Yes. Internal inflammation.
Yeah, so I think we're done with this interview.
That's the end of our show.
Juan sucks.